Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around the MG ZS Limited Edition in Arctic White with red accents. This one in particular has got an incredibly low mileage at just 10,758. Being the ZS Limited Edition, the car comes packed full of great features, including the part leather interior with red styling, as you'll see from the inside here. You've also got the coloured touchscreen in the middle there. This features the DAB radio, Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got the cruise control on this particular vehicle as well. And then just coming round to the rear of the vehicle now, you also get the benefit of rear parking sensors. And there we are. If you do have any further questions in regards to this model or would like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.